SIM card and factory reset. What you need to know.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be tackling a commonly asked question related to smartphones. Do I need to remove the SIM card before performing a factory reset? This question often arises when people are preparing to sell, give away, or recycle their old phones. Stick around as we demystify this process for you.
What is a factory reset?
A factory reset, also known as a hard reset or master reset, is a process that returns a device to the state it was in when it left the manufacturer's factory. This means all personal data including photos, music, and files will be erased, and any settings or customizations you've made will be reset to the factory defaults.
Does a factory reset affect the SIM card?
Here's the answer you've been waiting for. No, performing a factory reset will not delete or impact the data on your SIM card. The SIM card stores information such as your contacts and text messages, which will not be affected by a factory reset. The reset process affects only the data and settings stored on your device.
Why remove the SIM card then?
Even though a factory reset doesn't affect the SIM card, it's a good practice to remove it before performing the reset if you're planning to sell or give away your phone. Why? Well, it's simple. Your SIM card is linked to your personal information and network provider. Leaving it in a device that's changing hands could lead to potential misuse. Plus, if you're switching to a new phone, you'll likely need to use the same SIM card in your new device. In conclusion, while a factory reset doesn't affect your SIM card, it's advisable to remove it before handing off your device to someone else. We hope this video has helped clarify this topic for you. Stay tech smart, and remember to treat your personal data with care. Catch you in the next one.